HCTI stock analysis and HCTI stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video, I'll be breaking down my exact play with healthcare triangle. Bro, it's 2 cents, almost 3, and I'm open-minded for long, so that means that I've already gotten the first break. Like, I'm really just waiting for one last break above 0.0296. And if that happens, bro, this is gonna be so juicy. I got an HCTI. Let's pop up here. 11 results sitting in place. Yeah, all I'm doing in the meantime is still briefly waiting. If it doesn't give me any sort of shift or anything, I'm not caring. Like, people think that I'm gonna pop up here and start trading left and right, but bro, no. It must give me the rules, and it's like one step away, so I wouldn't be freaking doing anything. So if you want the sauce that it's taken me 5 years to learn, and you can learn it in like literally 1-2 hours, click the first link below. Like 1,300 people